is going to be back in the building this week for Tuesdays with sports or food, and on Fridays with a brand new faith series. So it's going to be absolutely brilliant. So if you're from the school age of year 6 upwards, then why not have a look at our social media 180XL to have a look at what we got going on at XL Church for the youth.
Forsake a lavish life to speak truth to power.
This week sees the launch of a brand new ministry called the Welcome Brew, and it's a community drop-in where anybody can come. It's an open door here. People can come to the Bilston People Centre to just hang out, have a cup of tea, some refreshments, have some advice and guidance with a few crafts and fun activities as well. So that's going to be happening every Wednesday morning from 10 till 12. Devoted ladies at XL Church, this is for you. We've got some dates coming up for the ladies and women of XL Church to gather together to hang out for some pizza, some fun, some shopping maybe, a few different things throughout the year. So keep your eyes peeled on social media and on our website for the dates throughout the year where women of XL Church can come together, and you can invite a friend too. So keep your eyes peeled for those dates.
Destiny is calling you out. I'm making a way.
Did you know that every Thursday lunchtime we do a companions meal for senior citizens at XL Church? So do you know someone who might want to come along for that? Well, let them know and get in touch with us. It's only £3 for a 2-course meal plus some entertainment and activities. You don't want to miss out. Last week on Friday we had G-Force back in the building for our kids club where we had the brand new theme royalty called Crowned. But this Sunday we're going to have the Kids Shake back in the building as well on Sunday mornings. So if you want to bring your child along to church, then get them coming, because it's Sundays at 11 a.m. in that service we'll have our Kids Shake back with the same theme, Crowned Royalty. So it's going to be great. So make sure you bring your kids along for that on Sunday mornings, or for G-Force on Friday evenings at 6:30. This week is Connect Group, so make sure that you connect with yours. And that's all for XL News, so have a great week, guys.